Hello, everyone. My name is Rubio, and welcome to the fifth episode, I think. No, it's fourth, actually. So, this will count as episode zero, technically, because I forgot to give you guys an interview of what the Unity series one will be about. So, I was like, better late than never. So, let's just get started. So, the first section will mainly consist of five episodes. This will mainly be about the Unity interface. Just write it down here. Write it down. Interface. And for the first episode, which I already thought was just installing the Unity game engine, well, the Unity hub, the editor, and the editor, and Visual Studio. All right, that was for the first episode. Let me check mark to that. Now, for episode 2, I'm just going to teach you more on the interface, as in how to move to the interface. Just basically move through it, organize your files, of course, organize the file and windows. Just teaching you how to navigate the Unity editor. That's basically the point of this. Now, for the third episode, I want to teach you more about game objects, just what they are and how they work. For episode 4, we'll be going more on the components. Let's just say that episode 3 and 4 will be pretty combined. Now, for episode 5, I might just be teaching you, for example, I could just be teaching you some software you can install, or I'm just gonna teach you how to set up Visual Studio for the next section, of course. Visual Studio. Now for section 2, I'll go that up on episode 6 or before episode 6, and this will just be mainly about coding. To be more specific, it will be C#. Now, I'll go again over the overview. So for section 1, for the first episode, where I already tell you how to install Unity and the Visual Studio Community IDE. And then I'll be going over the interface, as in how to navigate the editor, how to move it, and the difference between the game scene and the edit scene, and a little bit about how you should organize your files. For the third episode, I'll be talking more about game objects, what they are, and how they help make a game. For the fourth one, I want to mainly go over the components of a game object. Take, for example, rigid bodies. And for the fifth video, I might just teach how to set up Visual Studio. Should look at 2-minute video. And then this next episode for the rest, I'll just be teaching one of the coding principles. And before I get started, before I finish actually, for this Unity series, I'm just gonna make a simple top-down game. And that would pretty much the objective. Don't expect it to be like a very good top-down game. It's just gonna have very simple mechanics, since it is like a Unity starter series. And that'll pretty much it for the overview for section 1, of course. So, hope you guys have a very nice day. And I'll be seeing you for episode 3. See you guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.